Right, here's all the pieces. We put them around us pretty much everywhere. You are gonna need a Phillips, and it does have an Allen wrench. That's pretty much what you're gonna need. A Phillips. This is provided, not provided by the machine, by the box. You have to provide your own, but it does have a Phillips with all the screws and everything. Everything's numbered. Everything's numbered. If you guys can see that. So it shouldn't take us more than 20 minutes. It says on the box. So let's put it together and see how it looks.
Hi, today we have our kitchen rack with storage. We like to use it as a coffee station and also to hang all our pots and pans. Great space saver and a lot of storage for bulky items as well as smaller items on the top. It comes with 2 sliding doors to put stuff away for coffee cups. Also comes with hooks that you can put on there to hang your pots, or if you want to hang spoons. And it comes with additional holes in case you want to order additional racks to have more storage. It's made out of wood, very solid wood, and it's pretty solid. We have very heavy stuff at the bottom, and it keeps it intact and very firm and ready.
Now, one thing I did do, these hooks here, I put them in the back because it looks a little nicer. But you could add more if you want. But look at how beautiful and roomy. I had 2 brackets before. Now I only have 1, and I got rid of it. Plenty of space. It fits exactly as you can see. My door doesn't hit. I measured it. It fits perfect on the corner. I still have access to my light. I still have. This is our actual coffee and tea station right here. We grind our coffee here in the morning. We're coffee people in the morning, so we have our coffee machine, our tea station. You could put a microwave, a toaster, an oven, pretty much anything in this system. And look at this, plenty of room in the bottom, plenty of room in the bottom in the second drawer. And then I got more space in here, and this is where I'm going to put all my coffee, my extra accessories, paper foil and stuff like that, coffee accessories in here. So great, beautiful wood, sturdy. It took me about maybe 30 to 40 minutes to set up, but overall I am very pleased with the whole setup. You could do whatever you want on it. You could add your own thing. It has plenty. We have a lot of weight here, so you could add more weight. One thing I do recommend, you tie it down to the wall. They give you the option. Everything's wall number. If you guys can see, I still have my markings. I'm going to remove them too, but I just want you guys to see the actual finished product of it.